Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Defense Smashers, and today we are going to discuss our thumbnail topic, that why Sheikh Hasina put a allegation on the US government. And we will also cover in this video that why Sheikh Hasina put a allegation on the US government and what is the response after the allegation of the US government. So we all are aware that there is the political crisis in the Bangladesh after the huge protest on the reservation. The army general Wakar Uzman take over the Bangladesh and asked Sheikh Hasina to resign in 45 minutes, and the the after the resign from the post of the PM, the Bangladesh PM take asylum in India. Right now she is in India, but after some time she will take asylum maybe in London or UK. So she puts a allegation that USA government is involved in the political crisis. So what are their allegations? So Sheikh Hasina said that they want to seize power over the dead bodies of the student because the protest going on in the Bangladesh is the student protest. Firstly, it is student protest, but after some times there is seen that they all are entering in the parliament and destroy things. So everyone seems that they are not student, and after some times they also target the minorities in the Bangladesh, the Bangladeshi Hindus. And after that, what she said, what I did not allow it, and I stepped down from my primership. I could stayed in power if I surrender the sovereignty of the Saint Martin Island and allow the America to dominate the Bay of Bengal. So she clearly stated in their statement that US want the Saint Martin Island to dominate the Bay of Bengal because USA wants to dominate the China to the trade routes of the China, always counter show. So she clearly denied this Saint Martin Island deal to the US, and she also said in their previous statement after the election that so this is the location of the Saint Martin Island. This Saint Martin Island is very close to Bangladesh and it is very close to Cocos Island of the China. So this is my previous video that Bangladesh in Bangladesh US wants to make the Christian state, and I already made a video on this, so you can check the description. So this is the Bangladesh. Bangladesh shares a border with the West Bengal, Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura, and Myanmar. And after this political crisis in the Bangladesh, BSF is alert on these borders, and because this area is very sensitive, so this and all the activities to the Bangladesh from the railway track and others are also stopped. So PM Sheikh Hasina after their election after their election says that a white man to construct the air base in the Bangladesh in exchange of the guarantee of the will of the election, and she denied it. When she denied it, so she after their election she said that there is a Rakhine State in the Myanmar and Cox's Bazar. So USA wants to make US. She not clearly said US. She said that there is a Western country who wants to make a Christian country from the Cox's Bazar and the Myanmar Rakhine Strait. So she completely stated in their statement that there is a white man to construct a airbase, but she denied. And after she denied, there is huge protest scene, and which is also funded by, maybe funded by this Western country. The huge protest is coming on, which does not relate with the with the Sheikh Hasina, because the Supreme Court and the High Court take the bill on the High Court actually approve the bill on the reservation. But the main purpose of the protest to target the Sheikh Hasina. So, and this is the major ports in the Bangladesh, the Mongla, Barisal, Chittagong, and Dhaka. And there is and these ports, so Bangladesh is neutral country, but a neutral country, Bangladesh has good relation with India and also with the China, and that is USA wants to enter in the Saint Martin Islands to dominate the China, to dominate the Bay of Bengal. And this is the investment of India in Bangladesh. So this Kolkata Dhaka Agartala is now stopped, and this is the railway tracks are also stopped, and this is the major important project of the India, the Kaladan multimodal transit transport project. So the cargoes are going to Kolkata Shama Prasad Mukherjee port, and from the sea route it covers 539 kilometers, and after that there is a Sitwe port. Sitwe port, and from the Sitwe port a river Kaladan river is going, and from the Kaladan river the cargoes are traveled by road, and after sometimes it will reach to the northeast border, because from the above it is very difficult to transport the cargo. So this Kaladan project is very important for us, but now I don't know what is the future of the Bangladesh, that Bangladesh allow us to make this Kaladan project successful or not. So I hope you like this session. Thank you.